Love having this window open. The breeze, the view, it's really spectacular. But I don't want to break my window, so what do I do about that? Welcome to Travato 60-second Sundays. Guess where I am currently in my Travato? That would be in the galley. Today we're going to look at the window. So the good news is the window opens like an awning-style window. Early models, they were locked shut, screwed shut, so they couldn't open. In my Heimer video, I was kind of railing on the fact that you could have a window open and slide the door back and actually break your window. I've sort of experienced that once already, so want to show you my 60-second solution on that today. So I took a piece of cardboard paper that actually came out of a shirt liner, and I wrote on here very clearly, galley window open. It tucks right here when I am traveling or when the window is shut. But when it is open, I move the sign to right here. Whether or not the cushion is here, I put the sign right here so that I cannot open this door without reminding myself that the galley window is open. This has prevented several times of breaking the window. 60-second Sunday tip. Put a sign in your sliding door that the galley window is open to avoid breaking your window.